of host machines. Ano na example nito? DOS. Ha? What's the example of this? Ha? Sample. Makes the system unresponsive to the actual service request. Example. Bigay ko ng site na nangyayari ko. You're requesting to something that may mag-pop up na ibang ads or ibang site. Yan, example, there is Asia. Sino ang nalulod ng K-drama? Yan. Sa mga crack na mga site, imbis na pinutin yung video pupunta sa ibang service.
Di ba pa kayo?
O hindi na naman ang di ba makakascopy. Kung nakasubscribe ka, pag ka lang sa ibang site manoorin. So, SYN attack. This attack compromises the initial handshake process. It makes the server unavailable to the actual traffic. It sends SYN packets repeatedly and eventually overwhelms the target server. So, this is the example. The diagram. Mag-notes kayo at tayo ng keywords na. Nagagawin tayo mamaya. Hindi naman kailangan ito i-memorize lahat. Hindi kailangan i-memorize in the actual field or in the actual work. Hindi naman kailangan i-memorize yan eh. Meron naman Google and may GPT naman ang pwede natin katanungan. Pero at least you will be familiar with this kind of attack. Someday, majority of you or some of you will be in the field of cybersecurity, responsible to counter attacks all those kind of